Hello my fabulous Facebook group. Welcome to today's video. It is 3 different ways how I do my eyeliner with Mary Kay's 3 different types of eyeliner. So how cool is that? We have a liquid eyeliner pen, which is my favorite. We have the crayon, and then we have the gel eyeliner. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you leave any questions, comments down below. Alright you guys, so this is a liquid eyeliner pen, and it's a super soft felt tip that literally is always just full of pigment. I absolutely love it, and it takes me 2 seconds to do my eyeliner. I just face up towards the end of my eyebrow and then pull down towards my lashes, and then I just fill in about halfway because I don't like to put my eyeliner all the way. I like my inner corners of my eyes to be bright and light, and this just glides on without skipping, pulling, or tugging. It's seriously a one-step, no mess application. This baby will not fade. It's super long wearing and so easy to remove. When I put on my eye makeup remover, it just comes right off, and totally flake proof. I don't know. I seriously am obsessed, and I used to use the Kat Von D brand, which is like exactly what this is, and that one's $20. This one's only $16. Then I'm gonna go in and I just put a little bit on my lower lashes. I don't usually do this. If you're someone who just wears eyeliner on your lower lashes, I would not probably go with the liquid eyeliner pen because it's, I don't know. I am just using my eyeliner brush to smudge it out a bit. I just like more of the blended look, so it's not like a straight stick line. And we are good. That's how you use Mary Kay's liquid eyeliner pen. Hey you guys, so I wanted to show you a second way of how I do eyeliner. And today we're just gonna use Mary Kay's normal eyeliner crayon. The thing I love about this eyeliner is it's kind of like a normal one. As you can see, it's kind of like a rounded tip right now. But on the cap comes off just like it does on the lip liners, and there's an actual sharpener in the cap. So you can just put it in here, twist, and you can get that pointy tip that you can sharpen it to get a pointy tip again. So what I like to do for this is I will do little dots along my, like right underneath my lashes. I'm just gonna kind of like dot it on my top and dot it underneath my bottom one. And I usually don't go my whole lid. I'll just go like 3/4 or half of the way. So I'm just gonna go in and just kind of like place a few dots. Right where my lashes meet. And I don't even do my bottom very much because now I'm going to go in with my eye smudger brush from my Essential Brush Kit. Essential Brush Kit, love it you guys. And I'm going to go in with the eye smudger brush. And I'm just going to smudge it out. Because this just blends it in and gives you more of like a smoky look. Okay. You can like keep doing it if you want a really smoky look, which is what I like. You can do it just for a little bit, but just see how it kind of softens the whole eye up. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye and then I'll add mascara. So that's how I do my eyeliner with the crayon. Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you my last different way to do eyeliner. I'm going to use Mary Kay's gel eyeliner. And it's really cool. It just comes in a little pod where all the products in here. I have black. I've used a bunch of it. I've had it forever too. And then it comes with this little brush here. And this brush is like a normal brush, like an actual brush. And what you can do is put the cap on the bottom to make it like a longer brush. Sorry, I'm trying to hide my janky band-aid. So it's like a legit brush. You put some product in there and then you go for it. Gel eyeliner is really good for people who have super oily skin or have a problem with like their eyeliner fading or like melting off their face a bit. But one trick is anytime you put eyeliner on, if you put like a dark eyeshadow and pat that over your liner, that'll help with like any bleeding that you might get from your eyeliner, okay? I usually don't use a cap, I just use the brush. But let's see. So I just grab a little bit of product and then I just kind of scrape off the sides so that the product is just on there and but it's really skinny. It has like that point at the end. So what I usually do is, if you don't like a wing look, you don't have to do it this way, but I just hold my eye and then just kind of go where my touch, well, I'm really bad at talking when I do this, but just kind of touch where your lashes meet your lid. And then you could, sometimes I just close my eyes and just scrape a little bit. That's probably the wrong word, scrape. And then you just go along with your other one. Right now Mary Kay just came out with like this dark plummy purple color. It's gorgeous. And that's really just how I do it. Obviously, now you apply your mascara. Alright you guys, so that's the finished look with the gel eyeliner. I hope you guys really liked this video and it helped you either get a new technique or just have different options of how you do your eyeliner. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in my next video. Bye guys!